Imagine a bustling tech hub in California. TechCo Inc., a rising star in software development, enters into a lucrative contract with Global Solutions, a multinational corporation headquartered in New York. However, the partnership soon sours. Global Solutions alleges that TechCo's software is riddled with defects, causing significant disruptions and financial losses. TechCo refutes these claims, arguing that Global Solutions failed to implement the software correctly and missed agreed-upon milestones. Legal action becomes inevitable, marking the beginning of a complex legal battle. Our case of TechCo Inc. versus Global Solutions presents a classic civil procedure problem. The lawsuit's journey hinges on understanding key concepts like jurisdiction and venue. Since TechCo and Global Solutions are incorporated in different states, and the amount in controversy exceeds $75,000, diversity jurisdiction exists. The court likely has personal jurisdiction because Global Solutions conducts business nationwide, and the contract was breached in California. The Northern District of California is an appropriate venue because TechCo filed the lawsuit there, and a substantial part of the events occurred within the district. With jurisdiction and venue established, the lawsuit transitions into the pre-trial phase. This phase is crucial for both sides to gather evidence, clarify their arguments, and potentially reach a settlement before trial. Discovery allows both parties to obtain information through interrogatories, requests for production, depositions, and requests for admission. TechCo might request copies of Global Solutions' internal communications regarding the software implementation. Global Solutions might depose TechCo's software engineers to understand the development process and identify potential defects. Another powerful tool is the motion for summary judgment, which allows a party to argue that there is no genuine dispute as to any material fact. If TechCo presents strong evidence of Global Solutions' failure to adhere to the contract, the court could grant summary judgment in favor of TechCo. If the case isn't resolved during pretrial procedures, it proceeds to trial. The plaintiff, TechCo, bears the burden of proving its case by a preponderance of the evidence. The trial begins with opening statements, where each side outlines its case. TechCo's attorneys would lay out the details of the contract, the alleged breach, and the damages suffered. Global Solutions would then present its defense, perhaps arguing that TechCo misrepresented the software's capabilities. Following opening statements, both sides present evidence through witness testimonies and exhibits. After all the evidence has been presented, the parties deliver their closing arguments. The judge then instructs the jury on the applicable law, and the jury deliberates in secret to reach a verdict. If TechCo succeeds in proving its case, the court will enter a judgment in its favor, which could include monetary damages or specific performance. The losing party has the right to appeal the judgment to a higher court, which will review the trial court's decision for errors of law.